Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. My name is Gary. Today I want to talk to you about coffee. Now, I've done other videos with coffee before, and usually I get all negative reviews. People don't want to watch it. But this is a very special type of coffee. It has mushrooms. Come and watch. Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food, plant-based lifestyle. Have you noticed, if you go on Facebook or TikTok, the rage is mushroom coffee? Now, I bought this from a company called BareOrganics. It's called Daily Defense Coffee with Superfoods. This one here has got ginger root, Maitake, that's a type of mushroom, and lemon peel. Then I bought this one over here, same company, and it's got these little pods because my wife just loved these things. And it's got Ashwagandha, I'm sure I'm killing that, ginkgo and lion's mane. What is it with people nowadays? We can't have regular coffee without having junk in it? Well, why is it so popular? Well, the major reason is that mushrooms are a product that reduces inflammation in your body. And I have a severe problem with my left hand. My rheumatoid arthritis is coming in. I mean, I'm 71. What can you expect, you know? You're gonna have bumps and grinds along your way. But if I can drink coffee with mushrooms in it and it makes it magically go away, then I'm in heaven. Well, not quite yet, but you know. So, I bought it. I tried it several times. I tried it enough. I wanted to really make sure I liked it, and I don't like it. It does taste a little bit like coffee. It's a little strange. Now they say, if you drink a beer, there are people who drink beer and they think it's wonderful. The first sip, they don't have to learn to like it, they love it. And other people who drink beer and they say, oh my God, it's horrible. It takes time for them to learn to drink beer. This isn't beer, this is mushroom coffee. But it's not a taste that I really want to go out of my way to go and drink. It doesn't, it's like an earthy taste. It's like they left the coffee inside a deep dark jungle or something like that, and then they stuck it in these little pods and they're selling it to us. Maybe mushrooms are the answer, but I eat raw mushrooms all the time. I eat portobellos. You can see I have several videos with portobello mushrooms, so I am already taking care of my inflammation. The point being is that the rage right now is mushroom coffee. So it's not the case. Couldn't you just pour yourself a cup of coffee and put your mushroom in it and swirl it around? Or maybe you could have some fun. You could grind it yourself and pour it in with your coffee. These are all pre-measured, medium roast. I'm just gonna make a quick cup of coffee. You can see me do it. Unfortunately, you can't drink it with me. But I'm telling you, it's an acquired taste. It takes time to be able to enjoy this coffee. Now, it's possible that different brands have different tastes and maybe this BareOrganic Focus coffee doesn't work for me. I tried this one already. I haven't opened this bag because this looks nice and pristine. But the point being is that it didn't make any difference. Was still very earthy coffee, and I guess I'm not an earthy guy. All right, so let's show you how to quickly make a cup of coffee. Everybody knows how to do this. People who don't know, you can stay here and learn how to make a delicious cup of coffee on your K-cup machine with fungus, or in this case, mushrooms. People who do know, you can leave and say, I'm not watching another minute of this video. But regardless, you're gonna be able to at least see how I do it. Okay, so this is a standard Keurig K-cup machine. You can't see my head, you can only see this. It already has water in it. I just filled it up. I like to filter it with filtered coffee. We're going to use a different cup. This is, I eat at Teddy Bear's for breakfast because it's a thick cup. We're going to put our magic elixir in it. In this case, the BareOrganic Focus. It's a K-cup. See, like this. Pop up the regular coffee, put it in. Turn on the power. I like 12 ounces, so we're going to press the K-cup, 12 ounces, and that's it. Now you can see that it's thinking about it. Because I just turned on the machine, it's going to take a few minutes to warm up the water before it dispenses around over here where my hand's at. Well, you know what? That's not gonna work. I just realized this cup is too small. So let's use another black cup. Keep the color scheme going. All right, so while you're doing this, watching, let me tell you what's on the box. Unique adaptogen blend supports focus and concentration. It has 10 calories. Usually coffee only has 3 calories, so maybe the other 7 calories are from the mushroom. It's got no trans fat, 20 milligrams of sodium, 3 grams of carbohydrate, no protein. It's got calcium, potassium, manganese. It's nice to know that it's a recyclable container for your K-cups. Not that I know anybody that does it, but it says it certified USDA Organic, probiotic, it's vegan, which is why it's on this channel, gluten-free, non-GMO, chemical-free, natural, recyclable, and keto friendly. Their little note of inspiration is BareOrganic strives to deliver simple, quality nutrition without GMO, chemicals, or harmful additives. Each of our blends is infused with organic superfoods to help support a healthier you, all in a simple cup of coffee. Okay, you just have to get used to the taste. And that's basically what's on the box. All right, when it comes out of the cup, it looks like a normal, ordinary cup of coffee. Let's move it over here to the sugar area. I like to put in organic cane sugar in my coffee. And I like to I don't put in milk because I'm vegan, I use almond milk. But you can put any kind of milk you want, it doesn't really make a difference. It's still gonna be earthy. Mix it up. Move the camera and show you me drinking it. If you're a fan of mushroom coffee and you've found your perfect blend, make sure you have plenty of them on board, because this is right now the rage. And a lot of people are going to be getting these for Christmas. I can bet you that. It is not inexpensive. I believe this was something like $13, and the K-cups was like $1 less. I bought mine at Sprouts, and that's all they had for the mushroom coffee. Now I know that on many different TikTok and Facebook pages, you see different companies, and this is how they loop you in. It's a lot like what my dog food is. It's a subscription system. They'll send you the first package, a first order for like half the price. And then your next order will be full price. And this is not cheap coffee. I'm not even giving you it. It's very expensive coffee. But you're getting that wonderful mushroom. It's gonna give you, reduce your inflammation in your body. And of course it's perfect for you. But I'm believing myself that there are other ways to reduce the inflammation. Heck, you could eat broccoli. Put broccoli in your coffee, and that would reduce the inflammation. Broccoli is a natural thing. Grapes, you could put grapes in your coffee. That would remove it too. that would help your inflammation. Not that I would recommend you doing either of those things. I'm just telling you that these are natural foods that reduce inflammation. Cauliflower, you could put cauliflower. Now, I can't even imagine eating cauliflower with coffee. But if that's what was important to you, you could do that. Or you could even cut up your own mushrooms, grind them up, mix them with your regular mix, make it maybe half and half, I don't know, I'm not a chemist. And then you could say, hey, I really want this coffee because it's so magnificent. But this for me doesn't work. But it might for you. So guess what? Somebody in my family is going to get some mushroom coffee. As for this, I only have a few left. I'm going to drink it up, and that's going to be the end of my experiment with mushroom coffee. This is totally vegan, like I told you. There's not even very many chemicals in here. When you look at the ingredient panel, on this one here, it says Arabian coffee. It's got vitamin C, which are calling calcium ascorbic, organic ginger root powder, bacillus coagulans, zinc, glutamate, vitamin D3, organic Maitake mushroom extract powder. So you add chemicals in there which may be helping this stay fresh longer. You don't need that. If you like coffee, drink your coffee. If you have to take care of your inflammation, eat your mushrooms. They don't have to be together. Don't believe the ads. Let me try this again. And it again still has that earthy, funny taste to it. It just doesn't work for me. I told this to my wife. She said, I'm not gonna drink mushroom coffee. Are you crazy? What kind of person would even think of putting a mushroom in a coffee? But I guess somebody did and came up with these ingredients. And it's possible that this might actually help some people. I've been ingesting this coffee now for about a week. And I just don't see how it's helped any of my inflammations on my hands. And I eat broccoli, and I eat cauliflower, and I eat all the other vegetables and fruit that help with inflammation. For me, it's just gonna be towards the next 20 years of my life, it's gonna be a struggle. But that's a struggle that I'm willing to take. I'm that kind of person. All right, thanks a lot for watching us. I hope you enjoyed this strange mushroom coffee video, and I look forward to seeing you in our next interesting videos. Bye-bye now. While I torture myself drinking my coffee. I'm buying a car. You never thought in my life it'd be so complicated to buy one little car. My wife wants silver, and I want black. And my wife wants front-wheel drive, and I want all-wheel drive. And my wife would like to have a white interior, and I want a black or a beige interior. But I did find out that one of them comes with red interior. But my wife says, why don't you just buy a red car with a red interior? But I tell her, no, red interior are seen by the police, sees you, and you're gonna get tickets. And these cars aren't cheap. We're talking like $50,000, $60,000. Like, who's got that kind of money to buy a car? It's basically a Lexus RX 350 hybrid. Inflammation, rheumatoid arthritis, I can't even speak anymore. I've been reading, and why haven't I been cooking? Well, it's the same situation all year long. My wife's been so sick. I've barely had any time to even think about cooking. And I've got 2-3 great cooking videos for you. They involve persimmons and another twist on vegetables. And that's what I do. I sleep at night and I think of this stuff. But now I can't find the product. I'm gonna have to scour the different stores to find you this really cool video that I'm imagining is gonna work out in my brain. Anyway, so why do I put 20 seconds at the end of my videos? Well, like everyone else, I'm hoping that you look at other videos. For example, I'm one here, one here, one here. I will put 3 videos, 3 cards for you to click on. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I have my gallery over here. Of course, it's going to be reversed because everything's reversed, you know. So that way, you get to see me, my wonderful voice, hello, and you get to see something different. That's what the idea of all these cards.